Hello, what's up, Bar Builds family? This your boy Cowl, back at it again with another little video. I got my daughter with me. Yes, hi, sir. Today, we're gonna be getting that Terminator cowl hood installed on the 25 Mustang GT. Shout out to Muscle Auto Zone. I think that's how you say it. Yep, my bad, my silliness, you already know. But yes, shout out to Muscle Auto Zone. We're going to be getting installed that by Upshift Creations, the shop out in Temple. We're going to be getting that done. Definitely going to be a game changer on the GT's aesthetics.
Mustang.
We will see how it ends up looking.
With the Mustang.
Yes, sir. Yay. Yeah, alrighty. I got my helpers. Yay, Leline and Tiani, my two beautiful daughters. But here is the GT.
This is my Mustang.
Oh, yes. We're going to be switching out that hood to that Terminator cowl hood.
And my blue.
Yeah. Oh, you like blue?
Yeah.
Okay, mamas. And then also, we're going to be taking this wicker bill from LVA, and we're going to be installing that wicker bill on the spoiler here in the back. Definitely going to change the look of the vehicle. Yeah, and we're going to see how it comes out, right?
Yeah.
Amen. So make sure you guys stay tuned with our build. I got my helpers, and we're gonna be taking this to the shop right now, and I'll give you guys a little turnaround and see how it looks. If you guys have any suggestions for the future or on that specific platform, please let me know. Dile peace.
Peace.
Sounds good. We're gonna be turning it back on at the shop.
And we'll
Alright guys, we're on the way to Temple Upshift Creations to get the hood installed. We are definitely excited to see what the outcome is. Right, girls?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And we're headed there now. We'll see how things end up, but we are on the way. Sheesh. Stay tuned for when we're there. Alright guys, we're pulling up. Upshift right there. Let's get it. Let's see what we do here, boys. Alrighty, stay tuned. But alright guys, we pulled up to the shop and I got my boy Chris right here. Check him out.
How's it going, guys? I'm Chris with Upshift Creations. I'm gonna do some work to work with this car, get it looking good.
Make sure y'all tap in, and you need any cool stuff done to your vehicle, come and check them out. They have a nice shop here and nice setup, and definitely would do more stuff out here. They do, what kind of work do you provide here?
We do everything, paint, performance, suspension, anything and everything, one-stop shop.
And they even got a shop dog. That's how you know it's a good shop. Let's get it. Yeah. Alright guys, look at this. Some of these guys' work right here. What are you guys going to be doing in this one?
So this is a Resto Mod project, C401.
Look at that. Nice booth out in the back. What color did he say you did on that one right there?
So the Durango is a Demon wide body. So that's factory color. We did the wide body install. Molded everything, forged the autos. That was a pretty wicked build. And then this one over here is one of my special pride joys. So this is a one-off wide body Genesis coupe. So that's a full aero car, suspension, LS swap. We're building this to do like global time attack and grid life stuff. So super lap battle.
beautiful. Look at that. Super nice.
Yeah, I think I have the shot.
Let's swap. Check it out.
This starter light bulb has a turbo 4-cylinder.
Yeah, this is definitely unique.
Yeah, we do a bunch of engine swaps up here, wide body installs, molded wide bodies.
That's amazing.
Anything, everything you want. We got some cool projects over here that just came into the shop.
That's definitely nice. You like it, Mama? It's nice, huh?
I like that one.
You like that one? You said she liked that
It's
one.
sparkly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this Durango is super cool though. So it's-
Yeah. Blue one?
Yeah, one blue one. Mucho,
Okay.
mucho.
Check it out. It's
This
beautiful.
thing pretty much came off the lot brand new. Like,
That's beautiful.
wide body was sweet. So we did the flares, front, rear, rockers, front lip extension.
That's beautiful.
Bite, 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 bite.
That looks beautiful.
And then if you look over here where Nathan's at,
That's nice.
we are in the process of trying to get this one to the shop. But it's going to be a full Fast and Furious, the green GSX Fast and Furious.
That's dope.
Brian O'Connor's build on it. That should be wicked. That's a big build right there.
My sister was
Y'all make sure and tap in, man. These guys do everything. Amazing work. Come check them out.
They left it out in the open and it rained on his engine bay. We had all this brand new and fresh, and now it's all rusted, so that'll be getting changed. All the body work's kind of half-assed.
But y'all are gonna restore this bad boy.
That's what's gonna be cool.
Sheesh. That's dope. Let's get it. Alright guys. Like I said, make sure and come and check them out right here. Super good stuff. Look at that. They even gave me a vehicle to borrow while they're working on mine. Super great customer service, man. Amazing people. So they're gonna be working on my vehicle here on that Mustang. Instead of having me wait here with my daughters,
yeah.
they let me borrow this vehicle so I can go do whatever I have to do, and once the vehicle is done, come back. Super great customer service. I appreciate that from Chris here at Upshift. So please, if you need any car stuff done, you already know what they do. I showed you the type of builds that they're doing. They definitely know what they're doing. Super unique stuff that they got going on here. Come and check them out.
Peace.
Check them out.
Peace.
Yes, go. All right, guys. Here's the finished product. That Terminator cowl hood from Muscle Auto Zone. Check it out. Definitely looks nice. Looks mint. Next will be the lowering springs on this vehicle. My Fortune forged wheels that I ordered for the back. That's gonna be another great collaboration on this vehicle. Yeah, but I really loved the detail on this hood. Super nice. I can't wait to see how this build continues to come along, and at the same time meet more people in the S650 community. But yeah, it's coming along very nice. And more than anything, I appreciate the people at Muscle Auto Zone for hooking me up, for giving me a great deal on this specific hood, and willing to collaborate on my S650 2025 6-speed manual. we'll definitely have a lot more stuff coming up in the works for this specific vehicle, and we'll see where we go. I appreciate everyone that has been tapping along with my journey on my Barrio Builds YouTube channel. I encourage you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't be a stranger. Don't just look at the videos. I'd appreciate if you guys like it and subscribe. It means the world to me. And don't forget that I also have merch, so let me know and we can get you hooked up on that. Again, it's your boy Cowl, and I appreciate the support. May God bless you all. I love y'all. Sheesh.